I'm going to show you how to trim up existing bangs. Okay, so I know you guys have seen a lot of tutorials online about grabbing hair, grabbing bangs, and twisting, 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 and then cutting like this. And then they end up like a disaster. Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? So there's a reason. So a lot of people will just cut straight like this, but that's going to give you a straight across line. So for Luna, I like to have a little bit shorter and a little bit longer on the sides. So what I'll do is, what you want to do is, so now I've got a little bit longer on the outsides and a little bit shorter on the insides. And that is how you cut a nice, even